Hi friends, this is Rekha Vinod. Welcome back to Rekha's Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare sweet pongal or Chakkarai Pongal. The required ingredients are raw rice 3/4 cup, moong dal 1/4 cup, jaggery 1 cup, few broken cashews and raisins, ghee 6 to 8 tablespoons, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, water 4 cups. Heat a pressure pan on medium flame, add ghee. Once the ghee melts, add moong dal and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes or until it is fragrant. The moong dal should not change its color and no need to wash them. I have washed the rice and soaked it for 30 minutes. Drain the water from rice and add it to the roasted moong dal. Again roast it for 2 more minutes. After roasting the moong dal and rice, add 4 cups of water and pressure cook for 6 whistles or until it is mushy. Now take a pan, add jaggery and 1 cup water. Allow it to melt in a low flame. Once the jaggery melts, strain in another vessel in which we are going to make sweet pongal. Cook until one string consistency. Meanwhile, let's check the rice and dal. It has cooked very well and looks mushy. Make sure that the rice and dal has cooked very nicely. Otherwise, when you add it to jaggery, the rice becomes hard. Mix it well and keep it aside. Once you reach the one string consistency, like this, add the cooked rice and dal to the jaggery and mix well. The reason for cooking jaggery separately is to remove the raw smell from the jaggery and to increase the flavor. If you like more sweetness, you can increase the amount of jaggery. I have used 1:1 ratio, that is rice plus moong dal is 1 cup and 1 cup jaggery. After adding rice and dal to the jaggery, cook in low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Then prepare the seasoning. Heat ghee. Once the ghee melts, add broken cashews and raisins. Fry until the raisins puff up. The jaggery, rice and dal has been cooking for 10 minutes. Now add the seasoning and mix well. Adding a teaspoon of cardamom powder, you can also use edible camphor or nutmeg powder. I'm adding some more ghee. The amount of ghee totally depends on you. I have almost used 10 tablespoons of ghee to this recipe. The preparation is over. Now the sweet pongal is ready to be offered. Do try this recipe and leave your comments.